Hello again, welcome to part 2. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This looks amazing in person, although you can see some canvas texture. And I did set it up so that I could swipe it, so I am going to swipe it. I was going to put trees in, I'm not going to put trees in. I kind of messed up at the end of part 1 because I put some some Venetian blue too strong, like by 99%. I should have just put dabs or dots or watered it down or put lighter blue or something in the bottom. But I worked with it with my swipe card, my spatula actually, until I got it where I wanted it to be. And now I'm going to just swipe across my center section and hope that I don't ruin the painting that I've got. Although I really wanted a picture of this on my phone, but never mind, I've got a picture otherwise. So I'm going to try and decide what goes at the bottom by putting some gold and some white metallic and maybe a little bit of silver. And what else? A little green. I want some darker green, but that could come later. So I'm going to use, in spite of my better judgment, some my Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it. And I've made myself a little tiny card that I can run right along the bottom. And create an alternative area of color to the rest that I'm planning on putting in. And I like that so much, I think I'm going to do it again. I didn't put any purple in there, and I kind of wouldn't mind having a little bit. And maybe a little more of that green gold. What was the last color? It wasn't black. Oh, duh. The white Anita's metallic. Now I kind of need some more of that Amsterdam Black if I want cells. And I'll take what I get. I need to have a look at this. I'm going to use the edge of my card and my paint residuals. And hope for the best. Still using paint residuals, alright. I'm not unhappy with that. Even that dark spot is okay. Grab a little bit more of this. And turn it around for you. That's pretty cool. So that makes me want to do some weird colorations, which is fine. It needs to get strange to be cool. To be outstanding, I meant. That's what I meant. Sure. That's it. I have a little bit of turquoise. I think I made up this color. It started with a dragon, which is a color, a new color from Folk Art, Color Shift and Color. Take some of that, move it right over. Wipe off the residuals so I can use it on the edge, use my card. You can never know exactly what things are going to look like until you try. So even though I really liked what I had, I really wanted to try. I need some really dark green. And I've got some Chrysocolla, if it's open. Some color art. Yay, it's open. This time I'm not messing around. This time I'm just going for it. But I'm still being called to blue, so I'm going to put some in there. I think some of the same electric blue would be good too. And since I love the purple, let's just be like that. And if I swipe once and I don't think it's enough, I'll put some more in. I said I was going to use more dark green, didn't I? Okay, this one's plugged. But it's a nice, dark, very turquoisey color that I'm looking forward to using in a moment. If I manage to get the whole plug out of the tip. Yes. Bit of a shake. You know what? I either want some more of this green. Yeah, I definitely want some more of this green. What was I going to use instead? Some of this, maybe? Okay. So, I'm just going to pour a whole bunch of the Amsterdam Black and hope that it looks as cool right side up as it does upside down, because it's looking pretty cool upside down. You just turn it upside down and call it good. I need, I think, some more of that, some more of this. Got a lot of cool cells. I like the green in the background. I have no regrets. Oh yeah, okay, that's even better. Cool. Gonna let the card hopefully deposit some of its color. I just stuck my finger in the sky. Must be time for a cloud. Use my residuals to cover the edge, which is working very well. What can I do with that cloud? Less. Let's put a little bit of let's grab the light pink. And hope that wasn't too much. Okay, we got one pink cloud and a really, really, really cool scape. Oh, I was so nervous about doing that. I thought I was going to be ruining something awesome for sure. But this is exactly what I wanted. I used to paint like this. So I'm going to show you guys. Woohoo! Is that fun or what? I'm going to do something with this mountain here. Even if it requires some more purple. And a little bit of green. And maybe just a little bit of this. I think it's a very coppery color, no matter what color it is. Let's grab a little more. I am very pleased with this. Take my card and move it across. I might want some more Anita's over here. Because that was a big square cloud. Yes, I'm finger painting a cloud. One big cloud. That is sweet. I have a little extra paint on my card. It's sort of taunting me. But I like the green that shows through. That's stellar. I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, remember I have 2,000 videos and they're organized on 21 lists of 100 each. Well, the 21st list is being compiled, but I went over my 2,000 videos. If you need a link to something, please feel free to ask me. I'll get back to you if I can. The videos are also, you can find them on all playlists, created playlists, and they're also organized by topic and genre. I'm so glad you guys joined me. This looks great upside down too. That could be the reflection. If all I gotta do is put that cloud up there and it looked like a reflection. Anyway, I'm good. I'm really good. I got myself a seascape. I'm so stoked. I like it when I get brave enough and succeed. So please give me a thumbs up. If you like my videos, I really appreciate you sharing them. If you watch them longer, it's the one thing the algorithm understands to help me out. I told you about the playlist. My email address is underneath the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link underneath the video, and it has all my other links on it. I have Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and More has a shop now button that'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, also included in the link tree, so you can go there directly if you'd like to. My Amazon link is the place to find the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. You saw it first, the one with the yellow-orange handle. Best paint spreading tool, best paint working tool I know of. It's awesome. I have Le Gallerist clothing from Montreal, beautiful, beautiful dresses and kimono tops, dusters, scarves, T-shirts, all kinds of wonderful things, and that's brand new. It says new on the top link, so check them out. And if you're looking to be a little more economical, and those are heirloom clothing. That's some awesome stuff. Look for Teespring clothing underneath the video. All over print leggings and all over print T-shirts are there, along with lots of other stuff, and more still on my fineartamericapixels.com. 1,400 items there at least. I have a community board on my YouTube channel, and you can see tomorrow's video there. You can ask me questions there. My Amazon link is a great place to go shopping, and you can buy anything on Amazon from my link, and you'll help me out, and I appreciate it. I have 2 books there, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Hey, I want to really thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and compliments that keep my morale boosted, and you ought to know that if you can contribute through PayPal or Patreon, whose icons are clickable on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. If you make a donation, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing included in the exhibition video that I added to the end screens in the last 20 seconds of every video. So I love you guys. If you have questions, please ask me. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. If I forgot something, I don't know what it is, but you can always mention it. Like I said, ask me if you have questions. Oh, I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, please let me know via my email using the hashtag and the file number found in the title of the video that you're interested in the artwork of. Okay, I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Woohoo! I'm stoked. See ya, anon. See you soon. 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. I post 10 videos. Woo! Bye for now. Priscilla out.